Hello, my name is AneMarie and I live in New Greenland. For the next 4 Sundays, I will tell you about my Christmas here in Nuuk. Up to Christmas, we celebrate 4 Advent Sundays, and they have different things that we do each Sunday. What is special about our first Advent Sunday is that we turn on our Christmas star. Usually our Christmas stars are orange and they are passed on from family to family. But the last 5 to 10 years it has changed both color and shape. And we have a new edition here at home. Each Saturday before the first Advent Sunday, we adults, we set it up. And the children, when they are wakened Sunday morning, they will turn on the Christmas star. Sometimes we adults, we don't even notice because sometimes we slip in and the children will turn on the Christmas star. That's a little bit about our Christmas. And I will tell you more for the next 4 Sundays. And now we're gonna go see the town's Christmas trees, lights being turned on. And before I go, see you Sunday.